Hello folks, as you can see there is a lot of rust there from a water leak from the condensation. Anyway, long story in short, it's a Concord high efficiency furnace in a single family home, and I had some water stains on the floor, so investigated and found a lot of rust inside, so ended up taking out the blower motor and assembly which was mounted to here, and the pressure switch, the air pressure switch, and find out the leak was from a crack in the bottom of here. So it's very hard to see, but when there was water dripping, you can see drop by drop water going down. So first I thought maybe the joint which the pipe connected to that going through the P-trap, going to the drain right here. So we put some epoxy on the crack, and I flushed the chamber. I added one more line in the other outlet pot, then made a P-trap, and I flushed water through this backwards to the chamber to see if it leaks, but looks like it's working. It was coming through the old drain and was going in to this pit. So now I'm going to put everything back. Now I'm going to put the blower assembly back. This case is in a little bit tight spot, and it goes so I'm putting back the blower assembly back into the slot and connected to the exhaust pipe. Just need to tighten that hose clamps. Two screws holding this, so it's on the top. Just hand thread it in. Then I like to use the screwdriver rather than the impact, so you won't over tighten and break it. So I have one more screw somewhere here. Yeah, right there. It's a little bit tight spot right there. Let's yeah, blower assembly is on. Just need to tighten this hose clamp here. So the hose clamps are tightened, and now we can put this pressure switch in the holder. Yeah, it's holding on. Then it's wiring back. Okay, all right, then one more hose going this way. It's from that condensation chamber. And to the exhaust. Make sure nothing is blocking. Sitting since little while, so yeah, it's all good. And one more, the blower motor wiring. A little bit hard time connecting with one hand and holding the phone. Okay, looks like it's all good. And I threw some aluminum paint when it was rusted before, and added one more drain, and let's see how that works now. Sounds like it's time for a test drive, so we need to close this door to be able to turn on the furnace, since there's a switch right here. Either you need to keep it pushing. Yeah, it comes on. I'm going to close this. Run this furnace for 2 hours, and ever since I'm not seeing any water leak or anything. So sounds like the problem is fixed. Actually, I don't mess with things that I don't know. So I called a technician, and he said the water leak may be from the hose clamps was loose that time, so he tightened it, and he told them maybe that is the reason. Then we were waiting to be winter to get it tested. So I noticed there is still a water leak on the floor. So I called him and I wanted to take a look, and he told it's after hours, so it's 1.5, which means $180 just to take a look. And so I continued myself. I took off this blower. It was just 2 screws, one holding on here and one on the other side. Then took off these hose clamps, then disconnected these wires from the pressure switch, and this hose connecting from the exhaust pipe to the condensation chamber. The other one will stay. So then I took this off. Then we found the issue as mentioned before. Then we finished everything, and it sounds like it's working now. So lesson learned. Learn things in the hard way. Lot of YouTube videos to watch, and thank you folks whoever put those YouTube videos out there, giving help to all people. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to get the technicians, and it's not cheap. And we are in here Alberta, Canada, where we have almost 7-8 month winter. Get anything up to minus 40 or 50. So we need these things working every day in the winters. So thank you for watching. Hopefully this will help in your troubleshooting. Thank you.